welcome back to In the Kitchen with Pen. Now, by now, I think everybody in the world and his wife, excuse me, has seen the viral Marks and Spencer's Strawberry Sandwich. Please excuse me. It is essentially, oops, put the lid on, cream cheese mixed with creme fraiche, layered with strawberries in some sweetened bread. Well, brioche is a sweetened bread, isn't it? So I went into Marks and Spencer's yesterday purely to see if I could buy one, and they didn't have any. So I stamped my feet, walked out and thought, blow it, I'm going to make my own. So that's what we're doing today, and it is so simple, but come down and have a look. Right then, in my bowl I have 2 dessert spoons of cream cheese, and I have 2 dessert spoons of creme fraiche, and I bought the full fat of each, and I am just whisking them together just like you would if you were making a cheesecake base, really. I mean, you wouldn't be using well, I wouldn't be using creme fraiche, I'd be using double cream, but we're just mixing them together. Right, done. Then we're going to take 2 slices. Now the Marks and Spencer sandwich, I will point out, is just 1 slice of bread that is cut into half, and that is, are you ready for this? £2.80. Yes, you heard me right, £2.80. So with the ingredients I've got here, I wonder how many I could make. And now all I'm going to do is I'm going to spread this quite liberally onto the brioche bread. Make sure we get into the corners. Sorry about that, that was Steve just going out. Don't know where he's going. Right. And we're done. We're spread. That tastes alright. And now I need to put the strawberries on the top. And I'm going like this because the theory is that it will look better. Now, I don't know. I hope, but I can't guarantee. And what I shall do is I'll cut that one into a quarter just so that I get the whole of the covered. And then on the diagonal, and the other one on top, and yeah, I'm getting the look of the viral M&S one. But let's do the same with the other one. But what I might do is I might cut the strawberries down a little, just so that it's not so tall. I don't object to it being tall, but I think it will look slightly better if it's not quite as tall. And then of course the bits that I cut off can go in the back, can't they? Nobody's going to see the back, and you've still got strawberries, so you're still a happy customer. Now M&S use a particular brand variety of strawberry, and that's their red, is it Red Diamond? Well, obviously I wasn't in Marks and Spencer's today, so we've just got common or garden variety of strawberries from Sainsbury's. But as long as they taste good, who cares? Right. There. we are. And that is our two. And remember, you'd only get one. It's slightly bigger, obviously. Well, I don't say obviously. The bread is slightly bigger. Now, I think by cutting them down, it looks better. But of course, looks are one thing. We want to know how it tastes. So, let's give it a go. Right, I've no doubt this is going to be decidedly messy, but messy in a good way. And the day I'm recording this, which is Friday the 27th of June, it's National Cream Tea Day, so I think these would work instead of scones if they taste good. So the bread's lovely and it's a sweetened bread brioche, so here we go. Let's have a bite. There's absolutely nothing wrong with that. The question now is, I think I'll put a little bit of icing sugar in there as well, just to sweeten that up a little. But, excuse me, as I say, the question is, would I pay £2.80 from M&S? Would I heckers like I can make them myself at home? Could make a lot more than one sandwich for £2.80. Please don't put your strawberries in the fridge because it won't taste as nice. And when you're shopping for strawberries, I always sniff them. I want to smell that beautiful, well, strawberry smell, obviously, and some of them just don't, but these are delicious. So, the viral M&S Strawberry Sandwich made at home, give it a thumbs up.